I hope you're all doing okay. So just a quick update on the NAS trade that we talked about. Still pushing on the higher side. I want to just run you through a quick thought process as in why we took the first buy and why we are taking the second buy as well. So initially we did analyze this from the 4 hour. The reason why I like higher time frame is you can swing a trade for quite some time. Okay, you can hold a trade for quite some time, and that is very important information. Okay, because once you look at structure from the higher time frame, it can move for a very long time. Okay, but always remember your entries should be based on the lower time frame, especially if your account size is small. So remember what we talked about. I don't know if you guys had a chance to watch the YouTube video that I posted. If not, you can find it on my YouTube page. What basically I was talking about were channels. Okay, so we were in a 4 hour channel. This is a bullish flag pattern. Okay, they're even still there, the lessons I was talking about. So market is coming from the downside, doing its thing, then you find that the market breaks out of a structure, retest, and continues to the upside. So this is what happens. This was a bullish pattern. Market was coming from below, it consolidated in this area a bit, then officially we got a breakout and we did have a retest in this zone here. Okay, so that is what prompted the buy, because when we looked at the 1 hour time frame after the structure was broken, the market came back into this area. You see how the market came back into this area here and showed signs of weak rejection. So immediately we tapped in and the market has pushed up so far. Okay, so now we did remember, when the market is bullish, it makes higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, just like that. So we did have a higher high, a higher low. We made a new higher high, we needed a new higher low. Okay, so this is what was formed here. Okay, that is what prompted this buy. Okay, stop loss is safely below, just in case the market decides to come all the way back here. Okay, but remember, these ones are already in profit. You would have moved your stop losses somewhere below this, the same. You take profit somewhere in this zone. Okay, so currently the market is doing it again on a smaller time frame. Now it pushes up, starts to retrace. So there's anything can happen in this time frame. Remember, in as much as we are trying to participate, we're not trying to predict to say, oh, it's a must, this is what the market is going to do. No. So we have this pattern that the market is forming and whatnot. It did do a retest in this area, came back down, so now showing signs of it's trying to break out. Okay, so for those that are late, you can take out this breakout. If it comes back to retest, then you can ride it to the upside as well. Okay, now this is not 100% to say, oh, this is what is going to happen, but according to what the market is driving at, this is what is happening. So we are participating according to what the market is doing. Always remember that there's no two ways about it. You have to understand the direction, you have to have your zones, and you have to have your candlesticks. So in this area, why did we buy? Because our direction is buy. This is our zone here. This is our candlestick. You see this bullish engulfing candle that printed here, buy, and the market has been driving up just like that. Those are the three concepts that you need to look at. Once you understand that your direction, you understand your zone, you wait for the candlestick confirmation. Once it gives you that, you enter. If you lose the trade, you would have still followed your guidelines. Okay, but at least you would have followed your guidelines, unlike just trading out of just because you feel like trading. Okay, otherwise that's all I had for you. This is a recap of what NAS is looking at. Okay, thank you. Remember, a people day.